novel coronavirus or COVID-19 has imprisoned us in our homes and brought our entire world to a halt. It has impacted our lifestyles, causing an enormous turbulence. The old days of our lives in the global village seems like nostalgia as everyone shrinks back to their home.
Schools and colleges have been closed, bringing conventional education to a halt, and restarting it in cyberspace has opened a new model of education. Our classroom may have been reduced into a Zoom call and our exams may have been cancelled, but our learning never stops. Even as the entire world has plunged into darkness, our state has shown a light of hope through its efficient handling of the pandemic. We have shown that a robust healthcare system and administration, combined with a responsible society, is an efficient vaccine against any crisis.
We would like to thank our healthcare workers for their brave fight against this virus and for keeping us safe even while putting their lives at risk. The task we've left is daunting, bringing the world back to normalcy and regaining the confidence in society is going to take a lot of effort. But one thing that history has taught us is that mankind has re-emerged stronger and better from each crisis, and human willpower and hope will overcome any crisis.
We miss our friends, playground and school a lot. The verandas and classroom are now felt like a paradise, and we yearn to get back those beautiful school life. Let this lockdown does not dampen our spirit and break the invaluable friendship bonds between us. Let us all stay connected.
मैत्रीं भजत अखिल हृजयत्रीं मैत्रीं भजत अखिल हृजयत्रीम् आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत त्यजत परेश्वर क्रममाक्रमणं त्यजत परेश्वर क्रममाक्रमणं मैत्रीं भजत अखिल हृजयत्रीं मैत्रीं भजत अखिल हृजयत्रीम्
So powerful is the light of unity that it can illuminate the whole world.
Always don't open new doors.
There was never a night or a problem that could defeat sunrise or hope.
Never consider the possibility of failure. As long as you persist, you will be successful.
The more you feed your mind with positive thoughts, the more you can attract great things in your life.
Chaos is inherited in all compounded things. Strive on with diligence.
Reminding yourself that loss of hope is temporary might just compel you to pick yourself up and move forward.
A smile is a curve that sets everything right.
With confidence, you have won before you started.
When you step out of the storm, you won't be the same guy who stepped in. That's what the storm is all about.
Hello, good morning dear students and teachers. Here I am before you with greetings of love and tidings of hope for a better future. Yes, dear friends, the times are very hard, but the silver linings behind the clouds of gloom should not be missed. Human history is replete with examples of struggles for survival. We have overcome great ordeals and obstacles and challenges many times before. The indomitable human spirit that surmounts every hurdle and the inborn human quest for a better future will ultimately prevail. So, cheer up and do the best you can. We shall overcome.